Hi guys, today we're gonna make simple cinnamon toast. You need a fork or whisk, eggs, vanilla extract, milk, cinnamon, sugar, and fresh bread. You may use any kind of bread you like. We'll start by cracking 2 eggs. And then add half a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, vanilla extract, a splash of cinnamon, and then salt. And now we can whisk it until it's all mixed up. Now we're moving on to the pan. We're turning on the stove to medium-high heat. Add some oil. I'm using sunflower oil here. You can also use a different kind of oil as long as it's not too strong like olive oil. Then we add the bread. We let the bread sizzle on one side so the egg can cook through. Here I'm using a spatula to press the edges a little bit so they can be more crispy. And then we flip it on the other side. We're gonna continue to press the spatula around so it can be crispy as well. We're gonna leave it to cook on this side a little bit, and then we're gonna flip it again. So the more you flip it, the more evenly it's going to cook. Once both sides are golden brown, means it's done. Here I'm showing you how you dip the bread into the mixture very shortly before we transfer it into the pan. You want to avoid leaving the bread in the mixture for too long before it gets soggy. Once you finish with the bread slices, you can stack them up like this. Finally, you can go ahead and top it up with some powdered sugar, butter, or any kind of topping you like. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this video. This was a very simplified version of a French or cinnamon toast. This is perfectly for breakfast or a quick lunch. Also made a video of the famous TikTok viral Dalgona coffee, also a matcha version of it. I will link it up there or in the description box below so you can enjoy. So I recently post cooking videos like this one, or beauty videos like skincare or how to prevent acne, and travel videos. So thank you so much for watching again. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more weekly videos coming up. Don't forget to check out the women community. Follow me on Instagram or TikTok. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye! Videos like